Robotics stands at the forefront of the digital and artificial transformation. A robot is a machine designed to perform actions autonomously. With the integration of artificial intelligence, humanoid robots are becoming smarter, learning, adapting, and performing complex tasks. Industrial robots, especially in the automotive sector, are leading the charge, followed by medical robots and military drones. New regulations aim to ensure the safety and effectiveness of both consumer and industrial equipment. Linked to robotics is the concept of autonomous systems. Autonomous vehicles operate without direct human control, embodying the philosophical idea of autonomy, making independent decisions with free will. This concept is distinguished from the concept of intelligent automation, which uses AI, business process management, and robotic process automation to enhance decision-making and operational efficiency. Intelligent automation simplifies processes, optimizes resources, and improves efficiency. The development of this area is pushing the boundaries of what technology can achieve.